What's up, YouTube and Unreal developers? In this video, I'm just going to be giving you a quick demo and walkthrough of my animated keyboard and mouse input indicator. So as you can see, this reflects my inputs on the mouse and keyboard, but aside from that, it can also be used to actually provide inputs. So you can go in here and click these buttons to add text. And aside from that, if you wanted to, you can also, of course, come in here with keyboard and add text that way. One thing to note about this product, the UMG buttons will consume that keyboard input, which is why you don't see the input registry on here whenever I'm actually typing in there. But then we hide this and it loses focus, and then it'll show that again. So there's quite a lot you can configure in here. So initial height, show you what that is. So when we close this, it's going to go back down to 50 instead of 0. So that go back to 0, and we can open it up a little bit further if we want, so that to 160, and it closes all the way. And you can also, of course, set the animation speed in here. So if you set that up real high, it's going to pretty much just instantaneous. And then you've got the ability to hide that entirely. And you can adjust all your colors in here in this widget. Of course, you would just do this programmatically. This is just for your testing purposes and finding out a color scheme that works for you, that you enjoy. So this is kind of just for figuring out what you want it to look like. So yeah, that's really all there is to it. So there is also this delay in the mouse options right here. So you can see here, if I take that real low, those arrows will disappear really quickly. And if I want to, I can turn it up real high. And then even after I've let go of my mouse entirely, it's still going to stick around for a few seconds. I'm on a MacBook, so with the arrows inverted, it actually looks like they're going in the correct direction. That's because I'm on a MacBook. On Windows, I think this would probably look like it's going up if you're scrolling up normally. Just the way that macOS treats that axis. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it as far as the actual little sample widget here. Not really a whole lot I feel like I really need to tell about how to actually use this thing. As you can see here, I've just on my sample widget, I've really just dragged these into the UI. I've not done anything special. The only thing is I have, obviously all these text boxes here, or these spin boxes here connected to, the various properties of these. So if you want to see how to change those properties, you can just kind of look in this sample widget here. And as far as using the widgets themselves, using these input indicators, just drag them in or spawn them programmatically with the desired props, and you should be good to go. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.